Hello, I'm Katy from Azeco. In this video we'll show you how to power your boat using lithium service batteries. Let's look at how to use energy while motoring, using shore power and using the sun. So let's start with motoring. The engine turns an alternator which charges the starter battery. We can also use the alternator's energy to charge the service battery using a battery-to-battery charger. We now have power to run a DC distribution circuit. We can also use a combined battery charger and inverter, the inverter part of it, to run an AC distribution circuit. Let's now look at being plugged in to shore power at a marina. The shore power is attached to provide energy to the AC circuit. It also charges the lithium service battery using the combined battery charger and inverter, the battery charger part of it, to provide power to the DC circuits. Now let's move on to using the sun's energy while sailing or at anchor. Here we see the solar panel sending energy to the solar charge controller, which fills the service battery. The solar charge controller can be thought of as an intelligent battery charger that uses the sun's energy. We can run DC loads as before, and also run AC loads via the inverter. Please see the description below to find a link to the Azeco website where you can receive advice and buy appropriate products. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.